Hello and welcome to your next car and the walk around video for the 2016 BMW X530D XDRIVE M Sport. As you can see, this vehicle does also feature a very cherished number plate, which is also included in the sale of this very high spec vehicle. So we'll talk you through some of the specs and of course show you around this very stunning car. It does also feature a full Your Next Car Mperformance body styling kit, as you'll see as we make our way around. At the front you can also see the Angel Eye and Xenon headlamps, alongside the very striking gloss black front splitter and matching kidney grills. In terms of the alloy wheels, they are the original 20-inch BMW M Sport alloys that are in the high gloss jet black. Over the top you can see the glass panoramic sunroof, which we will of course take you through the settings and modes of that. Down the side you can see it's an exceptionally clean and tidy vehicle for a 2016 car, and it also does come with the sun protection glazing as well. We have got all the way around on this car, we've got front and rear dash cams, which is of course always that real nice bit of safety, along with a ghost immobiliser system. So not only is it a great car for you to look at, if anybody else decides to take a nice look at the car, it is also protected as well. In terms of the interior, it's a full black Dakota leather. Both seats are heated. In terms of drivers, passengers, front, and of course also second row seats are heated as well. We've got a set of very nice upgraded tweeters in the front there. They are aftermarket, however, are very similar to, of course, the professional audio system. 8-speed sports automatic gearbox. In terms of your rear space, now, of course, the second row seats are adjustable in this vehicle to allow for passengers to climb through into the third row seats, which we're going to slide through and show you. There you go. It's a little bit difficult to do one-handed, but we've managed it. So as you can see there, we have got a third row of seats, making this a very, very practical 7-seat SUV, as well as a very, very nice looking one. Round onto the back of the car, again, another addition is of course the very nice aero canyards, as well as the automatic opening and closing tailgate that you'll find on the X5, which is of course a split operation tailgate. So as you can see there, I've just left one side down and one side up to give you a depth perception of how large the boot space will be when both are folded, or even when both sides are up, depending on how you choose to do so. You can of course do that, have one side up, one side down. Round onto the driver's side now, where again we can show you this is a very clean and tidy example of a BMW X530D M Sport. We'll quickly go ahead and take a seat inside the car, because whilst this is a special looking vehicle on the exterior, there is yet more special features awaiting us on the inside. As soon as we take a seat inside, we get this wonderful blue ambient lighting, as you can see throughout. We'll start the car up and quickly get things moving in terms of showing you around some of the nice features we have. Again, as I've mentioned, it's got that ghost immobiliser, so there is a sequence to do so. I'm not going to show you that on camera for obvious reasons. However, we can take you through everything that is included in that. You will also hear the dash cameras. There we go. In terms of multimedia, we have got DAB along with a wide array of other multimedia inputs, including music collection and external devices sources, including USB, AUX, Bluetooth audio, of course, satellite navigation, Bluetooth telephone again. And if we go back through to the main menu, in just 1 second we'll check out everything there. And this is a very low mileage vehicle, having covered just over 42,000 miles. It is also backed up with full BMW service history, and of course having that cherished number plate is also going to really add to the value of this vehicle. 6,000 miles till next service. We'll quickly pop the glass sunroof into the tilt. As you can see there, that's all backed up via BMW. Rear facing reversing camera. We've also got the intelligent safety system on board as well, so if we click back through to there you can see we've got front end collision, we've also got pedestrian alert, and then the lane departure warning system as well. So we've not only got a great amount of comfort systems on this car, it is also backed up via a lot of safety systems, including of course the front and rear dash cams and the ghost immobiliser system as well. So there is a look around a very nicely high spec X530D XDRIVE M Sport. Thanks guys, do of course take care, and we shall hopefully see you soon. Bye bye.